Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly, and welcome to my course, AWS Networking and the API Gateway. I am a performance engineer at Lucidworks. It takes a lot to build a good web service and keep it running. You can spend weeks on the infrastructure alone. Save yourself some headaches by tapping into AWS API Gateway for your next web service. Scale to hundreds of thousands of users, have always-on reliability, release new versions with confidence and a rollback plan that actually works, automatically generate documentation and SDKs, and get a variety of security and monitoring features right out of the box. This course covers what you need to know when implementing an API on AWS API Gateway. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to set up an API, managing deployments and canary releases, access control for your API, and monitoring and alerting based on API activity. By the end of this course, you will be able to set up, secure, and monitor an API in AWS API Gateway. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic API principles and have an AWS account. From here, you should feel comfortable continuing on the Networking on AWS learning path or expanding your API skills with deploying serverless applications in AWS using the serverless application model. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about API management and creation with the AWS Networking and the API Gateway course at Pluralsight.